Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect TradeStation to TradingView. So guys, make sure to navigate to our graphs and where you can actually trade or sell. And guys, as you can see, we have our interface with multiple buttons and controls. And firstly, of course, make sure to go into the TradeStation and of course log in into your account. For some reason I can't log in, give me a second. Alright, so you go here, you either open the account or you log in so that you can actually perform the next steps that I will show you. And after that guys, on the bottom panel right over here, click on Trading Panel and find TradeStation in here. You can just use the search, type in TradeStation, there you go. You can also add it to favorites like this so that it's always appearing. And now guys, just press on TradeStation on this button and of course choose how you want to trade. Do you want to trade live or do you want to trade with a demo account, basically perform a paper trading? So if it's live, press on it and press on connect. You'll be redirected to your TradeStation admin, sign in panel, and of course take your credentials, type it in, username and password, log in, and now you're connected. Very, very simple. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.